Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer quotes from Salesforce CPQ to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce CPQ app from the app launcher. Locate the quote you wish to transfer within the Quotes tab. Click on the quote to open its detailed view. Review all relevant information to ensure accuracy. Scroll down to find the line items associated with the quote. Make note of any custom fields or attached documents for later reference. Next, click on the Transfer button usually found on the top right of the Quote Details page. Select the destination Salesforce record type for the transfer. Fill in any required fields in the transfer modal. Double-check the information you have entered for correctness. Once you're ready, click the Confirm Transfer button. This action initiates the process of moving the quote data. After the transfer is completed, you will receive a confirmation message. Navigate to the appropriate section in Salesforce to verify the transfer. Search for the newly created record you just transferred. Open the record to review all details and ensure everything was transferred as expected. If there are discrepancies, note them down for further action. If everything looks good, continue with any necessary follow-up tasks. Finally, communicate the successful transfer to relevant team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.